So this was all of year, like the four subjects that we had, and just now coming to the last 1.5 to 2 months that we had to study rigorously day and night without just taking a break. And also I am hostelite and I have to stay away from home, and there are like the pros and cons associated with staying away from home in a hostel all alone. You have to wash your clothes alone. You have to make sure that you are getting enough food and enough nutrition, enough water. You are taking proper care of your health and hygiene, and you have to sleep adequately. You have to keep yourself hydrated, and proper nutritious food. And yes, you are solely responsible for your own existence, your own health, your mental well-being, and your physical well-being, and everything. Like, you are responsible solely. So yes, it's a difficult part. Staying away from home is itself a difficult part. So it's a huge advantage for the day scholars, and like they get whatever food they want whenever they want, and there's no like such thing as like इसके बाद इतने बजे के बाद खाना नहीं मिलेगा, ऐसा नहीं है. So they can have whatever food they want whenever they want, and माँ के हाथ का खाना तो is a different level satisfaction. And also we have to wash clothes on our own, and the problem that we face in this month of April, like our exam started from the 1st of April and it continued till 21st of April. So you can understand how much like humid and hot and scorching the weather is right now in Kolkata. So we had to give our exams in this like disastrous climate, disastrous weather. Also weather के बीच में you have to make sure that you are covering your entire syllabus, and then only you will like after you complete your syllabus, then only you are going to get the satisfaction कि यार मेरा पढ़ाई तो at least हो गया है, and you'll be able to like have a good night's sleep. But sleep though is a luxury at this point of time. You don't get to spend even like a decent amount of time to talk with your parents or like your family members. Okay, sleep has a very big role in your mental well-being and your overall energy levels, and the type of output you are going to produce in your exams depends on your sleep as well. So make sure to have a good night's sleep. Sleep deprivation should totally be avoided. Like during the exam days, I used to sleep for just about 3.5 to 4 hours. That's all, because there was huge syllabus, and I had to cover them to gain that confidence कि यार preparation मेरा थोड़ी बहुत हो ही गया. तो ये इस confidence को पाने के लिए I had to like cover the entire syllabus. That's what I did. And sleep deprivation to एक point गया, ये humid climate गया, फिर pressure of studies, you know, it's huge. Like when you have exams back to back and you don't have like holiday in between, especially during the 5 exams or the practical exams. Like in our theory exams it started from 1 and 1st April 2024 to 12th April 2024. So we got ample amount of time to study in between the exams, especially before my FMT exam and before my eye exam, ophthalmology exam. But yes, common paper 1, paper 2 और ENT के बीच में ज़्यादा gap नहीं था. So वो सब्जेक्ट्स हमको पहले से पढ़ के रखना पड़ा. बट ये आई एंड FMT वी जस्ट स्टडीड बिटवीन दोज डेज बिकॉज वी हैड गॉट enough ample amount of time. And but during the practicals we actually don't get to know about the dates of our practical exams, because like after our theory starts we get our routine. Our exam started for 15th of April 2024 and it ended on 21st of April 2024. And yes, these practical days you get to see कि मेरा तो 20th में ख़त्म हो गया था. So 15 to 20 it's just 5 or 6 days and there are 4 exams. So just one gap before my FMT exam and before my community medicine exam. So that's all I got. And पूरा practical का जो instruments का portions होता है वो तो हम theory के पहले पढ़ के नहीं जाते हैं, because it's not required in theory, but it's very important and it's the sole thing that we get in our practical exams. And also OSPE. In ENT we have a huge PDF for OSPE. And it carries around 50 marks. So yes, it's very important and it's totally out of the theory exams. So it's a totally new thing that I have to study between the practical exams. So the pressure was tremendous and sleep तो sacrifice करनी पड़ेगी. फिर nutrition के ध्यान नहीं रखे थे, physical जो exercise वो नहीं हो पा रहा था, and food तो छोड़ी दो, like mess में क्या ही खाना मिलेगा. Okay. So ये सारा problems हम face किए, and I learned hard way that yes, you have to sacrifice a lot. You've taken up a very crucial field, and it's gonna take much sacrifice and much hard work. Hard work कभी कुछ start ही नहीं हुआ क्योंकि final year में बहुत ज़्यादा pressure है, बहुत ज़्यादा pressure है. You have to attend your practical classes. अभी second और third year में it was still a bit relaxed. like classes उतना ज़्यादा pressure नहीं होता है classes का. बट यहाँ पे हम लोग का खेप होगा. वी विल हैव प्रैक्टिकल क्लासेस, वी हैव टू अटेंड आवर पोस्टिंग्स, आवर क्लिनिक्स, वार्ड्स, OPDs. So it's going to be like great thing, exciting also, but at the same time it's going to be very like tough and challenging. Let's see how it goes, and I'm very much excited for final year. And yes, I have made this video just to make you aware of this medical stream, that so many people are like striving to get into this field. I know like it's worth. I think I am very satisfied after taking up this field as my career option. But there are many people who face a lot of difficulty in like the pattern of studies that is occurring in this, like that has to be followed in this stream. Like there is a huge role of memorization. People who can't memorize, they are going to face a lot of problem. Okay, I'm mentioning beforehand. And also who don't have patience or who thinks कि बस थोड़ा सा पढ़ाई कर लेंगे, थोड़ा सा ये conceptual चीज़ें याद कर लेंगे, बस हो जाएगा. वैसा नहीं होता है. You have a lot of facts to memorize, a lot of things that you could put inside your gray matter, and then only you are going to be successful. Okay, so yes, this is the message that I wanted to spread, and all the best for all the aspirants who are going to appear for this NEET exam. Also, I wish luck to all my seniors who are going to give the NEET PG examination as well as the NEET examination. Also, in this video only, I want to share with you all that what all are the things that I'm doing now, sitting back at home. And because I had to plan a lot of things during my exams, because यही होता है कि एग्जाम्स के टाइम में तुमको लगता है कि हम ये कर लेंगे, वो बुक पढ़ लेंगे, वो सिनेमा देख लेंगे, फिर यहाँ घूमने चलेंगे, वहाँ उसके वो फ्रेंड के साथ मिल लेंगे. ऐसा तो प्लान्स होता रहता है जब एग्जामिनेशन चल रहा होता है. बट अल्टीमेटली व्हेन इट गेट्स ओवर एंड इट्स लाइक दी एंड हो गया, तो वो थॉट्स, वो प्लानिंग्स, उन सब का दी एंड हो जाता है. सो आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू छोटा सा यहाँ पे कि वॉट आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ. ऐसा तो कुछ ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिव मैं नहीं कर रही, but yes, the day my exams ended, I just went on a solo date and I had biryani. And so on 21st I went out with my friends जिन लोगों का 21st को ख़त्म हुआ exams. तो we like 2 to 3 friends, like 4 friends, 4 of us went and we had food outside and we talked to our heart's content and we relaxed under the like trees under the lamppost of our famous lamppost of our college. So about skincare, I also did a lot of new things which was very entirely new for me, which is I shaved my face. Okay, my entire face. I did my eyebrows also all by myself and with a facial razor, because I got it for the first time in my life. I was not sure कि I should do it or not, because I have a very sensitive skin and पता नहीं कब क्या क्या उग जाता है, कोई रीज़न के बिना ही उग जाता है. तो आई जस्ट फेल कि यार ट्राई करके देखते हैं कैसा होता है. तो मेरा फेस अभी तो बहुत ज़्यादा स्मूथ है एंड आई एम एबल टू अप्लाई ऑल द स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स वेरी प्रॉपरली. आई डोंट नो इफ़ यू विल बी एबल टू सी. आई एम एन्जॉइंग, लाइक आई एम लाइकिंग द स्किन वेरी मच. It's very smooth. It's very smooth. Also, I shaved my hands, I shaved my legs, and yes, I did some hair care, like good proper hair care. वरना जब एग्ज़ाम चल रहा था तो my hair used to be like this, एकदम ऊपर टाइट करके बंद करके मैं रहती थी. तो वो हुआ. And also I got this beautiful present from my younger brother, Shupratik. He also has a channel. Just go and check it out. Its name is Metadocs, and go quickly and subscribe to his channel because the content that he puts up, it's great, and the editing is also like he spends a lot of time in just editing them and giving you a great content. So do make sure go to his channel, visit his channel, सब्सक्राइब कर दो, लाइक कर दो, शेयर करो फ्रेंड्स और रिलेटिव्स के साथ. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स दैट आई हैव गॉट इन माई लाइफ फ्रॉम माई younger brother, and the best part of the story is that it's with his own money, own hard earned money. Okay, so and I'm showing you, this is the thing, this beautiful watch. Okay, so and he gave this to me as a surprise. So yes, I'm going to show you now how. So this is what I got from him as a surprise. He just came for 7 to 10 days in between, like before the starting of my exams. Okay, so this was all about my video. I have told so much about this medical field and what all I experienced, what is my favorite one, what subject I didn't like that much, whether I'm excited or not for my upcoming days and my final year. Also then we have internship where we are going to make money on our own for the first time in our lives. So yes, we are definitely very much excited for everything and every experience that we are gonna like know and enjoy. Also I've got many new friends from other colleges as well. So MBBS is a roller coaster ride, I'll tell you, because you are going to make so many friends in your first year, but like gradually and slowly you'll see that you're losing them, and but you're going to make new friends again, all over again, and you're going to be so happy with them, so contented with them, and you don't need too many people to be with you for your like happiness or for fulfilling who you are. You are enough for yourself, and just having 1 to 2 good best friends, like good close friends who will genuinely be happy for your success and who wants you to be successful in your life, they do matter. They matter the most. Okay, so quality over quantity always, for me at least. And so this is all that I wanted to say in this video of mine, and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'm going to share more interesting contents and what all we do in our MBBS field, how we enjoy ourselves, how we study and all, and so much more is coming up, and I'll share my experiences of my final year as well. So do stay tuned and share this video, and make this channel, help me to grow and make this channel a huge success. So bye for now. Hope you all stay healthy and happy. Bye.